Hello viewers, here is a Uniden D1364BK telephone, and this has developed a very strange anomaly within the date. You can see right now the date is reading as 12/24, which is correct, and the time is correct. And I'm going to open the phone book, and it's going to change to January 1st, 2000. Okay. I'll correct it. It's going to be 12/24/2019. I'm going to open the call log here, and you're going to see the entries. The date and time will change to reflect the entry. So I got a call yesterday at 8:11, and that time is correct for that call. But I'm going to close it out, and it's gone back to 1/1 again. And I believe it's going to be the year 2000 as well. It is. Now I find this very odd because if I remove the battery, which will cause it to lose the time, and I put it back in, it's going to reinitialize with a date that I would suspect is the oldest date that this calendar has in it, and that date is going to be 12/31/2011. I would be very surprised if this has a 100-year calendar, but if it's able to process older dates, because if I do 12/25/2005 for instance, whoops, so we do 05, which is earlier than that, it takes it. So I don't know, it's very, very odd. And again, if I open the phone book, it goes back to 1/1/2000. I've never seen that before. I have no idea what would be causing that. I can only imagine it's some kind of a software glitch. But I will make an attempt to fix this, and if I am able to fix it, I will have another video explaining what I did.